This video will talk about a derivative of trigonometric function, logarithmic, and exponential function, as well as we're going to solve a maxima minima problem. So number one is a trigonometric function. So let's find the derivative of a function f of x equals cosine raised to the power of 4 times the quantity tan times sine x cubed. This problem we're going to use a chain rule. So f of x equals cosine or going to do so tan times the quantity sine x cubed raised to the power of 4. So f prime of x equals 4 times cosine tan sine x cubed. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So next one is derivative of cosine is negative sine times the quantity tan times sine x cubed. So next one is the tan. So derivative of tan is times secant squared times the quantity sine x cubed. Next is sine is cosine times the quantity x cubed. The last one is 3x squared. So let's find we can get the product of this and then negative sine and 4. So f prime times x equals 3x squared times negative sine times 4 is 12x squared. So this is negative. So cosine times x cubed, then secant squared times the quantity sine x cubed, then sine is the quantity tan times sine x cubed, and the last is cosine times the quantity tan sine x cubed raised to the power of 3. So this is the answer. The next one is a logarithmic function. So find dy dx if y equals sine times the quantity 2x plus x squared over 4 minus x raised to the power of 4 times the quantity squared using logarithmic differentiation. So y equals sine 2x plus x squared 4 minus x squared times the quantity squared. So ln y equals ln sine 2x plus x squared. Let's copy this 4 minus x squared, x raised to the power of 4 squared. Then ln y equals ln sine 2x plus x squared minus, because this is a logarithmic differentiation, so it's the division is goes to the minus sign, which is a subtraction. So minus 4 minus x raised to the 4 times the quantity squared. So ln y equals ln times the quantity sine times 2x plus x squared minus 2 ln is 4 minus x squared ay x raised to 4 times the quantity squared. So logarithmic differentiation is dy dx equals u prime equals u. So y prime over y equals cosine times 2x plus x squared times 2x plus 2 over u is sine, let's copy, and minus negative 8 x cube over 4 minus x raised to 4. So y prime over y equals cosine times 2x plus x squared times 2x plus 2. Let's copy sine plus 8x cubed over 4 minus 4. So cosine over sine is tangent, cotangent. So y prime over y equals cotangent 2x plus x squared sa quantity 2x plus 2 plus x 8x cubed over 4 minus x. So it's multiply the function or the equation by y. So 1 cancel, and this is y. So y prime equals cotangent, let's copy 2x squared times 2x plus 2 plus 8x cubed over 4 minus x raised to 4 times y. Y is sine times 2x plus x squared over 4 minus x times the quantity squared. So this is the answer. So the next one is exponential function. So let's derive this function. So d over dx times e exponent of 2x plus e exponent of negative 2x over e over what should I say is e exponent of 2x minus e exponent of negative 2x. So quotient rule. So quotient rule is d over dx f of g equals f prime times g minus f times g prime over g squared. So let's find the f prime and g prime. So f equals e, let's copy sa taas, plus e minus 2x, and g equals 2x minus e minus 2x. Then let's find the f prime. F prime is 2 times e 2x plus negative 2e 2x. G prime equals 2 times e exponent of 2x minus negative 2 is e exponent of negative 2x. So d over dx equals f prime. So let's copy or minus 2x times g is 2x and let's copy this minus f 2x plus 2x times g prime 2e times plus negative times negative is positive 2x over g squared squared. So this is the last one, the maxima and minima problem. So a cubic container with a base length twice its width is to be made with 36 meter cube of metal including the side. Find the maximum volume. So this is the height and the side, which is the length. So height, and it's x is the side and the length is 2 times x. So solution, 2 times the quantity hx plus 2 times the quantity 2x squared plus 2 times the quantity 2 h times x equals 36m cube. So 2 hx plus 4x squared plus 4hx equals 36. So 2 plus 4 equals 6 plus copy 4x squared plus or equals 36. So we can simplify this equation into dividing 2. So 4 divided 2 equals 2, 36 divided 2 equals 18. So 3hx equals 18 minus 2x raised to the power of 2. So find the h equals 18 minus 2 times x squared over 3x. So may value na tayo ng h. So let's try to get the second derivative of this function. So 36 minus 12x squared over 3. So 12 times 2 equals 24, then 2 minus 1 equals 1, so x, then negative 24x over 3, then 24 divided 3 equals 8, so negative 8x, then x is square root of 3, so negative 8 times square root of 3 is negative 13.86. So it is negative, which means this is the maximum. So solve for the maximum values. The volume of the container is 10 times width times height, where x equals square root of 3, then 2x times x times our height is 18 minus 2x squared over 3x, then 2 times square root of 3 times square root of 3, then substitute. So 6, then get the value. So 6 times 18 minus 6 over 3 square root of 3 equals 13 minus 13.86 m cube. So then summary, our x is square root of 3, then length equals 2x, so 2 square root of 3, while width equals x, so square root of 3. Then our h is 18 minus 2x squared over 3x. Then substitute our x, so 18 minus 2 times square root of 3 squared over 3 times square root of 3, so h equals 2.31. And our maximum volume is 13.86 m cube. So that's all. Thank you for watching. God bless.